Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into Hydro, a fascinating new distributed programming framework for Rust. It's really exciting stuff.
Yeah, I've been hearing whispers about Hydro. What makes it so special? Is it just another distributed system framework? Or is there something truly innovative here?
Oh, there's definitely something innovative. It's built for Rust, which immediately gives it a huge advantage in terms of memory safety and performance. But beyond that, Hydro focuses on what they call distributed safety, ensuring correctness by construction. Think of it like Rust's approach to memory management, but for distributed systems.
So it's like a safety net for distributed programming? That's a huge deal, considering how complex and error-prone distributed systems can be. How does it achieve that?
It uses a data flow approach, powered by their DFIR runtime. Instead of actors or RPCs, it uses choreographic APIs. This means computations are described as expressions and functions that span multiple locations. It's a more declarative style, making it easier to reason about the overall system behavior.
Declarative programming for distributed systems? That's a clever approach. It sounds like it simplifies the development process significantly. But how does it handle deployment? Is it a headache, like many other distributed systems?
Not at all. Hydro integrates seamlessly with Hydro Deploy. It uses a two-stage compilation process. First, you write a standard Rust program, which generates a deployment plan. This plan is then compiled to DFIR, creating individual binaries for each machine. Zero overhead abstractions, they claim. Then, it's deployed to the cloud using that plan and resource specifications. Pretty slick, huh?
Zero overhead abstractions. That's a bold claim. I'd like to see some benchmarks to back that up. But the two-stage compilation process sounds very efficient. It's like separating the concerns of development and deployment.
Exactly. And it's already been used for some impressive projects, including implementations of two-phase commit and Paxos. They're even working on a distributed systems standard library to provide these protocols as reusable components. That's huge!
While the approach sounds promising, I'm a bit cautious about the correctness by construction claim. No system is truly perfect, and even with a declarative approach, subtle bugs can still creep in. Thorough testing will still be crucial.
You're absolutely right. No system is perfect, and rigorous testing is essential. However, the framework's design aims to minimize the potential for common distributed system errors. They're also actively developing the documentation, so hopefully that will help address some of the potential pitfalls. They even have a GitHub repo for bug reports and feedback.
Good point. Open source and community involvement are key to improving any system. So overall, Hydro seems like a very promising project. Nation. The combination of Rust's safety, a declarative approach, and streamlined deployment makes it a compelling alternative to existing distributed systems frameworks.
Absolutely. It's definitely one to keep an eye on. And remember, the documentation is still a work in progress, so be prepared for some rough edges. But the potential is immense. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Hydro. Goodbye, and have a great day.
Bye-bye.